Are you looking for the best pole saws in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best pole saws that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Worx WG34920V8 Power Share Pole Saw. This cordless pole saw is ideal for those with small to mid-size yards who don't need the heavy-duty brawn of gas pole saws. Powerful enough to trim branches up to 6.5 inches in diameter, it boasts a telescoping pole that gives users a maximum working height of 13 feet. This battery-powered pole saw weighs 8 pounds and has an automatic chain tensioner and a chain lube system. It's also budget-friendly. However, one of the best features of this tool is the 3-position head, which allows the user to choose between 0 degrees, 15 degrees, or 30 degrees to help trim hard-to-reach branches. This was the lightest non-corded pole saw we tested, and it was only a pound heavier than the lightest overall. The 20-volt V battery delivers a surprising amount of power, enough to cut all of the branches we tried. For occasional use on a branch or two, this tool makes a lot of sense. What our tester says. Though this isn't built for extended trimming sessions on thick branches, it's great for folks who plan on doing occasional, lighter-duty trimming. I loved how lightweight and comfortable it was to use. Talk about a smooth operator. Mark Wolf, product reviews tester and writer. Up next in the 4th place is the DeWalt 20V Max XR cordless pole saw kit. DeWalt was a pioneer in the cordless electric power tool revolution decades ago, and its battery-powered construction tools continue to lead the industry. The 20V Max XR cordless pole saw kit is part of DeWalt's more recent move into the battery-powered outdoor tool market. Equipped with an efficient brushless motor and an 8-inch bar and chain, this lightweight pole saw helps users remove small and mid-sized branches up to 15 feet from the ground. The kit we tested included a 4Ah battery that can power through as many as 96 cuts per charge. A handy 3-foot extension segment gives operators the choice of either a 9-foot or 12-foot configuration. This sturdily built electric tree trimmer was extremely easy to use. We especially liked the angled bar and inline motor on this smaller pole saw. The angle of the chainsaw bar allowed the chain to engage branches for level top-down cuts, rather than requiring us to angle it from the side. This prevented the bar from being pinched. The inline motor contributed to the tool's well-balanced design, minimizing bulkiness and making it easier to handle at extended heights. We didn't like the wobbly joints in the pole. They didn't cause a problem with the electrical connection, but the movement in the joints was noticeable, even when the connections were secured as tightly as possible. The 3rd product on our list is the Echo X Series PPT 2620 Power Pruner Pole Saw. For those who need a powerful pole saw with a chainsaw equipped for frequent extended use, a gas-powered option might be the best choice. The Echo PPT 2620 is one of the best gas-powered pole saws out there thanks to its excellent combination of easy starting, powerful cutting ability, high reach, and easy adjustability. The Echo X Series pole saw comes with a telescoping pole, a 12-inch bar, and a chain to easily remove large branches up to 15 feet above ground level. It also features a lightweight, commercial-grade 25.4 cubic centimeters cc engine that boasts less vibration, more horsepower, and better fuel efficiency than other engines in its class. In our tests, the Echo pole saw started on the 2nd pull every time. The engine ran smoothly, and the pole and cutting bar assembly felt more steady and secure than any of the other saws while in use. There was zero slippage in the telescoping pole, and the chain moved and cut very smoothly. The included shoulder strap helped to make the weight more bearable, but there is no denying that this 17-pound pole saw required more strength and endurance on the part of the operator. We loved using this saw for big branch removal, but we were equally happy to be finished with it. Second on our list is the Greenworks 40V8 cordless pole saw and trimmer. With 40V of power, the Greenworks cordless pole saw offers top-notch cutting capabilities in a convenient battery-operated saw. It's particularly easy to handle thanks to its light weight of 9.3 pounds and the inclusion of reduced vibration technology. The cordless pole saw comes with a battery and a charger, and rather than having to deal with the pull cords on gas pole saws, this one can be started instantly with a simple push-button control. Thanks to its generous pole length, the pole saw is great for reaching those high-up branches. Its telescoping bar extends to a nearly 9-foot working height. Combined with its 8-inch cutting bar, this enables users to cut through out-of-reach branches up to about 6 inches in diameter. This pole saw is available as a standalone tool or as a multi-tool kit with a power hedge trimmer attachment. The same 40V power head and battery run both attachments, saving space in the garage. We liked the combination of convenience, weight, and reach that this saw offered. The 40V battery delivers plenty of power to cut through even hardened dead branches. Plus, the bar is mounted at a slight angle to the handle, making it safer and easier to cut branches in a downward direction when standing back away from the line of fall. Finally, the top product on our list is the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 10 Pole Saw Kit with Quik-Lok. Whether you're a professional landscaper or a large property owner with heavy tree cover, a heavy-duty battery-powered pole saw might be the upgrade you need. Milwaukee's M18 battery-powered pole saw delivers ample cutting power while reducing noise, fuel consumption, and emissions. The Milwaukee pole saw kit features a brushless power head, a 10-inch pole saw cutting head attachment, and a 36-inch extension pole. It also includes an 18V8Ah battery that can make up to 150 cuts per charge. When assembled, the saw weighs 16 pounds, making it the second heaviest saw in our test group, behind only the gas-powered saw. The included shoulder strap helps distribute the weight and improve control. The kit also includes a rapid battery charger that replenishes the battery in just under 2 hours. In our tests, the Milwaukee pole saw performed a half step behind the gas-powered Echo X series saw, but it was way ahead of the other battery-powered options. It cut through 6-inch branches super fast and easily powered through larger branches up to 8 inches. Chain acceleration was immediate and the cuts were clean. The pole was also the most secure of any multi-section pole we tested, even with the slightly heavier cutting head at the top. But this hard-working performance comes at a steeper price that only the most frequent users might be able to justify. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.